Hi guys, welcome back to a YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we create an isometric drawings and what is an isometric drawing, guys. So guys, basically isometric drawings are the 2D drawings, but it shows kind of 3D appearance. Okay, so what does it mean? For example, if I'm having here a 3D structure, this one we have created as a 3D structure. So I am having here right now northwest isometric. So in this northwest isometric view, I am having here this top view as well as side view and this side view. So always remember, whenever you are creating an isometric, there will be just 3 side view of any object. There will be just 3 side view. For example, if I am creating a rectangle right now, REC, enter, then this rectangle consists of this top view, side view and this front view, and there will be always a gap in between the baseline and the side of the any object which you are drawing. So this angle is basically 30-degree of angle, which is considered in isometric view always. Okay, so the 3 views which we are having here is side views and the top views. Okay, so if I'm extruding it right now, then you will get in better way. Press EXT, enter, select the rectangle, press enter, and then you can move your cursor to extrude it. Now just after clicking, you can see this rectangle is converted into a cuboid. Okay, so this is the front view, guys. This is the side view, or you can say this is a side view and this is a front view, and this is a top view. So this is the top view, this is the side view, and this one is the front view. And if I am having it as a northwest isometric, just click here, or you can click on this option, and here you have southwest isometric view, southeast isometric view, northeast isometric view, and this northwest isometric view. You can create any structure, any drawing in an isometric view. You just have to consider the 30-degree angle, and you should have 3 face showing in front of your screen. So this way, guys, you can create an isometric view. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.